Hi again, YouTubers. So I am sitting down to do my last haul that you will see during the actual live Nordstrom anniversary sale. The sale ends tomorrow. So if there's anything here you are interested in, trust me, put it in your cart, check out and go. Because this stuff is like, I mean, I've had so many items that I've ordered and then they say, oh, sorry, we had to cancel your order, and then I try again. So I have items that are still coming into me, but they're items that I don't think we're gonna be able to get anyway. It's, I have 2 rings that keep going in and out of stock and something else, I forget what it is. I will mention, where is it? Let's see here. Okay, see these blue blankets over here? I'll bring them over in a minute and show you. I got those, they're $25, they're super soft. I have a ton here of the Barefoot Dreams ones, and I love these, but they didn't have it in a dark blue, and so I ordered 3 of those. It probably cost me the same as 1 Barefoot Dreams. All right, so first thing, you guys saw this in my last video. It is a ring by Anna Beck. I got it in a size 8, so an 8 I can wear on that finger, and this finger. So I really like to get an 8 in things. I also got in this necklace by Kendra Scott, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It is still in stock last time I checked. You've seen it in a bunch of my Instagram photos. I've been wearing this all the time lately. It is so nice. It comes in a bunch of different colors too. There's like a burgundy one and a blue one and like a clear one. But it's just a nice little, like even this, I've got on, this you'll see in the video, I am obsessed with this blazer. It's by Caslon, and it's like super stretchy, knitty. It's just like wearing a sweater. With a little t-shirt, throw the necklace on, and you're done. I did pick up a new pair of readers from Bobbi Brown. I'm always picking up good reading glasses, and I actually really like them. They're really nice and sharp. These are my ones that I usually wear that you guys see me in all the time. And I think these ones are Bobbi Brown too, come to think of it. Not sure. Nope, Kate Spade. I know it was something along that line. So these Bobbi Brown ones are my newest pair of readers because I'm leaving readers all over the place and I like to have them. I did pick up a pair of sunglasses, and if you follow me on Instagram, they're by LisaSz09. And I wasn't sure about these, and I talked about it on my stories, and I was like, what do you guys think? Do you like them? Do you not? And they have since grown on me. They come in a tortoise shell. Sorry, I know you're probably getting a reflection of the light. These are the tortoise shell ones, but they also come in a black. And it's interesting because most sunglasses kind of go out a little bit. These are very, very flat across. But they're actually very comfortable, and I like them a lot. I had a pair of Diff sunglasses that I ordered, the polarized ones. They were like one of my favorite ones. There's a picture of me holding them on my Instagram stories, and they broke, and I contacted Nordstrom and they said they'll send me a new pair, but then they said to pick out another pair, and so I got these really cool. I love aviators and I love black aviators, but I've never found a pair of black ones other than Ray-Ban, and I personally do not like Ray-Ban sunglasses. All right, so I grabbed this blanket. I think it's by Nordstrom. Oh no, yeah, Nordstrom Home. Okay, and it's kind of like a fleece blanket. You can see here, it's a little bit lighter. And then on the back side, it's a little bit darker in color. It's fleecy, it is so soft, it is so big, so comfy. It is amazing, guys. These things come in come in a bunch of colors, and they're only $25.99. After the sale, I think they're like $39. I'm not sure, I'll post the information over here, but I'm obsessed with these. I love them in here. I have one on either side of this couch because Scotch lays on this couch in the window watching as people come and go, because he stays out in the house when we're not here during the day. And then I just got another one for over here. So I now will have 3 of them. The third one isn't in yet. So guys, remember, as you watch this, I will put all of my specs. I am 5'5", I would say. My doctor says I'm 5'4". I used to be 5'6". Who knows which one's true? I think I'm around 5'5". I'm about 150 pounds. I'm a 34 double D chest. I am typically in pants a 10 or a 30. In tops, I am typically a medium. Sweaters, I'm usually a large. Jackets, I'm usually a large. Shoes, I am an 8.5. I do have a couple pairs of shoes, and I keep touching this blazer. I'm seriously considering getting this in another color. It is that comfy and awesome. I absolutely love it. It's even better than the Topshop one you guys hear me talk about all the time. So if you want this, I think a lot of the colors were sold out, so run to check. But as I mentioned, if you see anything, trust me, hit pause on the video, put it in, like go to the link, put it in your cart, check out right away, go back, do it again if you have to, because these things are selling out like crazy still, and tomorrow is the last day. So anything you waited until last minute on, which I had a couple of those, trust me, now's the time to bite the bullet and go get it. Run, don't walk to do this. So I'm gonna jump right into trying things on with all the specs of the cost and all the information on the product as we go. So I hope you guys enjoy. So the first item I want to show you is a ring that I got that came in just when I was getting ready to process this video. So I decided to add a clip in. This thing is gorgeous, but I will say it is much thicker and heavier in person. Plus the crystals on it in Nordstrom's photo make it look like it's more of a silver, whereas in person it is very shiny and very crystally. You see the thickness right there in it. It's still in stock and it comes in 2 colors, just the gold with silver and an all silver. Next are these Asics. These are a running shoe that was suggested to me to give it a try, and I'm so glad I did. I have already run in them quite a few times. They do come in 3 colors. They run true to size, and most of the colors are still in stock in all the different sizes. The color is limited in some of them though. So the next one I got are the Adidas, and these are a running shoe as well. They're super comfortable. They come in 2 colors, but they are limited in the sizes that are still available right now. I went with the brighter color because I'd already gotten a gray pair in the Nikes previously on one of my other hauls, but it's a great time to get running sneakers. These boots, I did not think I needed them, but I am so glad I picked them up. They are a little bit snug to get over your calves. Now this color, there's very limited sizes left, but it does come in 2 other colors. So if you're interested, great deal on it. Zella high waist live-in leggings. So I bought a pair of these last year and I love them. I have heard from a lot of people that they are different this year. To me, they don't feel quite as soft, but I'm wondering if it's just when they get washed, they feel a little bit more comfortable. They do come in 3 colors and the black is unfortunately already sold out. Now I am going to show you guys some sports bras that I wear. I love Zella's sports bras. So I got a couple different ones. This one runs a little bit large. It comes in 3 sizes or 3 colors, and it is a medium impact support, so it's not great for running. But this one is the Flex sports bra. It runs true to size. It comes in 3 colors. It's a low impact. I did buy it in 2 colors, but it's in stock in all sizes and colors, and you can buy and save 2 for $40 with these. Then this is another one I picked up, which is the Rhythm sports bra. It runs small, so size up. It was a little bit tight on me, but I'd rather be tight when I'm running and things like that. It is currently in stock in all colors and sizes, and it's a buy 2 for $40 as well. Then I picked up the Nike Essential Logo Tank. I love this. I got the one last year, and this one is so much better. It is still available in limited sizes, so if you are interested, check it out. I did order the white one as well now because I liked it that much. Then this is the Zella Mira tank. It's hard to see, but it has a great mesh cutout detail. It does run true to size. It comes in 3 sizes or 3 colors, a black and a white as well. You can see the mesh a little bit better there. It's still available in most sizes and colors though. Then this is the Halogen Seamless Day Bra. Everyone was raving about this. It is super soft. It runs true to size and 4 colors. I think it's good, but I wouldn't rave and run to go get it. Then these jeans are cut from the cloth. They're, I think, my first pair of cut from the cloth. They do run a little large. I'm exchanging it for a smaller size 8. They're very comfortable, and they're still in stock in a lot of sizes, guys. So what a great deal. And that detail at the bottom hem is just so cute. And they're under 60 bucks. They're normally almost $90. It's a great deal. You guys have seen me talk about these, the Wit and Wisdom Absolution Stretch Ankle Skinny Jeans, which are not ankle on me. They sit a little bit long. They do run a little bit big. They stretch a lot. They are super comfortable. There's still sizes available, but it is limited. I did roll up one of the ankles here because as you can see, it hangs low on me. That does not hit me in my ankle, and I'm not super tiny. Well, I was trying to balance there a little bit. So I did roll one up just to show you what it would look like when you cuff it, and then the one I left down so you could see. But it's really cute pair of jeans. They're super comfortable. You just can't beat these things. Next up is a pair of Free People high waist ankle skinny jeans. They do run a little bit snugger than a typical jean. It does have a good stretch, but I did size up in these. There are only a size 24 and 29 left last time I checked. I already own these in a dark wash and I love them. Again, it's called an ankle jean and I had to roll it up at the ankles to make it work for me. I must be shorter than I expected. Then I picked this one up, the Gibson Bolson Sleeve Cozy Fleece Pullover. I love the Cozy Fleece Pullovers from last year. I love them. They are crazy soft. It comes in 6 colors. It does run large. This is a size medium, and I'm returning it to get a size small. But it is still available in limited sizes and colors, so go check it out. The next one, this Free People Thermal Rainbow Tee, is so cute, so comfortable. It does run true to size. It comes in 4 colors, and it's back in stock. I just checked. Guys, this is sold out so many times, so grab it while you can if it's still in stock when you go to check it out. This top, I haven't heard anyone talk about. It's by BOBEAU, and it's the Faux Wrap Knit Top. It is so soft. It runs true to size, comes in 4 colors, and it is just so flattering and so comfortable to wear. I think it's a great deal for only $39. Then I picked up the Zella Favorite Hoodie. It runs true to size. It is slightly fitted when you go to put it on. It's still in stock in all sizes and colors, and it comes in 3 different colors. It comes in a black, and I think it's a navy blue as well. It's super cute and perfect for just going to the gym. Then these tees, the Castellan Rounded V-Neck Tee. I love these. They're very soft. It does come in 7 colors, and it does run true to size. But it's still in stock, but it's very limited in the sizes and colors that are still in stock. But again, it's $17 right now, and it's got a great style to it. I have been on a blazer kick. So this is a mural striped blazer. It is super nicely made. The pockets are actually stitched closed. It runs true to size. It comes also in a blue and black. It's still available in limited colors and sizes, but it's super comfortable and really cute. I'm just not sure of this color on me. I'm not sure if I should give it a try with the blue or if it just doesn't work with me. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts on this. It is really, really cute in person. Then I picked up the Castellan 2-pocket knit blazer. I've heard so many people talk about this. I got the plum color. It looks a little dark on here. It's so soft. It comes in 6 different colors, and it runs true to size. It's still available in most of the colors and sizes. I think I may pick up the heather gray. I have an obsession with heather gray over a white t-shirt with a pair of jeans. It's my favorite thing. As I'm mentioning gray with white, this is the Nordstrom Signature Cashmere Ruffle Hem Open Cardigan. It is so soft. It's cute ruffle detail. It runs true to size. It's still available. It is a pricier item, but you're getting $100 off when you purchase this. So just keep that part in mind. Then the last one. Now this one is an investment piece. This is by Equipment. It is a Forrest Cashmere Duster. It's crazy soft, runs true to size. It's still in stock because it is a crazy pricey item, but you save $200 on it, and this will truly be a classic piece that will be around forever. It's just absolutely stunning. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you got some final last ideas from me and just my thoughts on some last minute pieces I picked up. I did not bother to show you guys items that I exchanged for other sizes. If you remember my first video, I was like, ooh, these are too big, this is too small, whatever have you. I exchanged them for different sizes. Those came in. I didn't bother to show those because I just wanted to show you the newer items. If you are still looking for ideas or wondering how things fit me, go back to my last 2 videos. I will try and post them below. I have my first Nordstrom haul video. Actually, I have 2 of them because I went in store, and then I have a haul video of the things that came into me. And then after that, I also have the top 10 sellers that you guys have purchased through me during this sale. So go check those out. I'll post all 3 of those videos below. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. Bye.